Good morning, Philippines. This is Mike Padua. We're back to our latest update on tropical depression Amang, and this is now the final update for this Thursday morning, April 13, 2023. And as we said, final, it means Amang is now just a low pressure area as it crosses the Bicol region, and this is our English version, brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Aboitiz Power, as well as Nagkalis Foundation, Bank of the Philippine Islands, and Avenue Plaza Hotel. So let's begin with our update. Here's the fast animation. As you can see, the system has become deteriorated as it approached the Bicol region early this morning, and it made landfall over Camarines Sur, and its rain bands has soaked the province of rainfall, reaching as high as 400 to almost 500 millimeters. So right now, its remnants is now over Southern Quezon, bringing some heavy to intense rainfall for the next 6 hours, and is expected to affect Calabarzon within the next couple of hours. And since this is just an LPA, this is now the final special coverage on this system. And please take all necessary precautions for the possible flooding and landslides in low-lying areas. Here in Naga City and Camarines Sur, lots of flooded areas are being reported, with some of the rivers and creeks reaching breaching levels. And the good news, this rainfall across Camarines Sur has started to wane down, but there are still rains, drizzles to light to at times moderate rainfall, but improving weather conditions will be expected this Thursday. So here's the fast animation. If we move back to for the past 12 hours, it shows here that much of the rain bands has soaked the Camarines Sur and Camarines Norte area, as well as Southern Quezon, as pulsating thunderstorms continues to affect these areas and is now affecting the whole of Calabarzon, including the northern portions of Mindoro. Okay, and here's the final track that we issued a while ago. So the LPA passed very close to Naga City during the past 6 hours, roughly between 4 to 7 p.m. And right now it's over Tagkawayan, Quezon, as it moves across Southern Quezon. And this is now the final update on the system. And for the rain forecast for the next 3 days, so this afternoon, rainfall associated with this LPA will continue to bring moderate to heavy rains to at times intense across Calabarzon, including much of Central Luzon this Thursday afternoon. So please take all necessary precautions for possible flash floods and landslides. And on Friday afternoon, that LPA will dissipate. Just some thunderstorms moving northward across northern Luzon during the afternoon of Friday. And on Saturday afternoon, more thunderstorms will be expected across Luzon due to the remnants of LPA 90W. So before we leave you, here's the rainfall data from our various weather stations across Bicol region. And for our Typhoon 2000 weather station, the rainfall for the past 24 hours has reached 414.3 millimeters, as you can see it here. Okay, and then there are no longer raindrops occurring over the Bicol Ridge, over our station in San Felipe, Naga City. Okay, winds are now blowing from the southeast, meaning the storm has just passed, and it's now moving towards the west of the city. And if we switch that station to let me see, Montana Diet, it looks like the rainfall is not much over Diet Camarines Norte. Only 163 was recorded for the past 24 hours. And over at Kamuning, Calabanga, rainfall has reached 250.7 millimeters for the past 24 hours. And if we change the let me see, station to Legazpi City, it shows 131.8 millimeters was recorded over the city. So it's also a part of this tropical depression. And at Mabulo, Naga City, the rainfall is around 338.3 millimeters. It's really quite high. And the highest rainfall is along Concepcion Pequeña at Ramayda Village with a high of 492.3 millimeters. So this is really a rain event which flooded most parts of Camarines Sur, including Naga City and Urica City. So please take all necessary precautions. But the good news, improving weather conditions should be expected throughout Thursday. So the floods will start to recede as the low pressure area moves farther away from Bicol region. So there you go, that's the latest from Typhoon 2000. Please take all necessary precautions, stay safe always, and thank you so much for watching our channel.